Hello student, today is our topic over subscription and under subscription of issue of shares. What is the over subscription? The application received more than issue of shares is called over subscription, and the application received less than the issue of share is called under subscription. We understand over subscription by this example, so you listen carefully. R Limited issued 40,000 shares of rupees 100 each. How many shares? We noted here 40,000 shares. How many shares? 40,000. And the value of shares is 100. At rupees 120 per share. The face value of 100 of the share and issued at 120. So 20 rupees is premium. Then we write here plus 20. The number of shares multiple the face value of shares plus premium of the shares. Payment was as follow. On application rupees 10. So we noted here application is equal to rupees 20. On allotment rupees 40 with premium rupees 10. Then we noted allotment is equal to 40 rupees with premium rupees 10, and the balance amount received on first call. So the value of share issued by the company 120. The balance amount is total amount is 60. Application money is 10 rupees. Application money is 10 rupees. And 40 rupees on allotment. Total money, application and allotment, rupees 50. Out of 50, out of 120, the 50 is less than the balance amount is find rupees 70. How many the balance amount? Rupees 70. How we calculated the 70? We added 40 and 10, subtracted from 120, the 70 rupees is coming. And next, overpayment on application were to be applied towards sums due on allotment and first and final call. Applications for 66,000 were received. How many shares application received in 66,000? Applications for 24,000 were allotted only 4,000. Then we write here applied share and allotted share. First category 24,000 shares, only 4,000 shares. Application for 24,000. So the shareholder applied 24,000 and the company given to only 4,000 shares. Application for 24,000 were allotted only 4,000 shares, and application for 6,000 were sent letter for regard, and application money was returned by the company. So the 6,000 and applied by the shareholder, but company no any share given to the shareholders. And full allotment was made remaining application. So how many remaining application? So total application issued by the company is 66. Then we less 24 and 6 yani 30,000 deducted from 66,000. So the application is 36,000. Money was returned to the full allotment and the remaining shares. How many shares issued by the company? 40,000. We noted here 40,000. Out of 40,000, 4,000 is allotted by the company and remaining is 36,000. And then we pass the journal entry. All the money due was duly received. Give journal entry in the books of company. What is the name of company? R Limited. So we make the journal of R Limited. And pass the journal entries. First entry will be passed bank account here to share application. The amount is how many applications issued by the company? 66,000 and one shares value on application is 10. So the amount is 6,60,000. We noted here 6,60,000. And second entry is transferred to the share capital, and then the entry will be passed share application account here 6,60,000. 6,60,000 to share capital. How many amount of share capital? So how many shares issued by the company? 40,000 shares issued by the company, and the value of application of each share is 10. So we multiply 40,000 by 10 is equal to 4 lakh. 4 lakh is transferred out of 6,60,000. 4 lakh is transferred to share capital. And 6,000. Who applied 6,000? The company. Nothing given to shares. So the company returned these shareholders payment. So 6,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 60,000 paid by the company to the shareholder whose share cancelled. And share allotment. Look here, the shareholder who applied 24,000 share to the company and company given to only 4,000. So we calculate the amount 24,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2,40,000. 2,40,000 rupees given to the shareholders who applied 24,000 to the company, and company given to shareholders only 4,000 shares. So the value of 4,000 share is 40,000 and the remaining amount 2 lakh. This amount is of shareholders. And next, the shareholders demanded 2 lakh from the company, but company tell him we cannot pay to you this amount, we deposit of their next amount and adjusted in next amount 2 lakh. So company adjusted 4,000 shares on allotment. Allotment amount is 40,000 out of 2 lakh. 1,60,000 deposit on allotment of these shares. 1,60,000. Then the remaining amount is 40,000. It is called in advance. 40,000 is a call in advance. Understand these amounts? And after this entry, the company demanded allotment amount. So the company make the journal entry share allotment account here to share capital to security agreement, because rupees 40,000 is demanded by the company. Out of 40, rupees 10 is premium. So the company transferred share capital and security. Company divided this amount in share capital and security premium. How many amount of share capital? Look here. How many shares issued by the company? 40,000 shares issued by the company, and the total amount of allotment rupees 10. The amount is 16 lakh called by the company to the shareholders. So share allotment account DR 16 lakh, and the share capital 40,000 multiplied by 30 and 40,000 multiplied by 10. Out of 40, 30,000 is 30 rupees capital and 10 rupees premium. So we multiply the 40,000 into 30, the 12,000 rupees of capital and rupees 4,000 is a security premium. Out of 16,000, company deposited in advance 1,60,000 of allotment money. So the shareholder cannot pay the 160,000 out of 16 lakh. So company received 14 lakh 40,000. 16 lakh out of 16 lakh 1,60,000 is subtracted, which is advance received by the company, and the remaining amount 14 lakh 40,000 received on allotment. After allotment, the company passed the first call's money, share first call account DR to share capital to security premium, because balance amount is 70 and rupees 10. Out of 20 rupees premium, 10 rupees received with allotment, and remaining 10 amount received on first call. So we make first call entry 40,000 multiplied by 70,000. So 28 lakh rupees called by the company to the shareholders of the first call, and the share capital 40,000 multiplied by 60 is equal to 24 lakh, and 40,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 4 lakh. Out of 28 lakh, 24 lakh is capital amount and 4 lakh is a security premium amount. Out of 28 lakh, 24 lakh is capital amount and 4 lakh is premium. And company received 40,000 call in advance with application. Then the application money deposited of first call in advance account DR 40,000, and remaining amount out of 28 lakh 40,000 deducted 28 lakh, then the amount is 27 lakh 60,000 received by the company to the shareholders to share first and final call 28 lakh. These entry will be passed of the our subscription, and we understand under subscription. So the condition is changed. 60,000 the application received. If the company received application 30,000, suppose if the company received 30,000 applications of the shares, look here, 40,000 out of 40,000 company received 30,000. it is under subscription. So we change the questions and journal entries will be passed. Look here. First entry will be passed bank account year to share application, and the amount is 30,000 multiplied by 10. 30,000 multiplied by 10 is equal to 3 lakh received on application. So the amount is 3 lakh. And the second entry, 3 lakh is transferred to share application to share capital, and the amount is 3 lakh. 3 lakh. All amount is transferred to share capital. No bank, no share allotment, no call in advance in this entry, because the number of shares 30,000 received out of 40,000. Company issued 40,000 shares and the application received only 30,000 shares. So company received 30,000 less than issued shares. So the amount not received access by the company from the shareholders. So we cannot transfer. No bank, no share allotment, no calling advance. And after application, the company demanded allotment money, share allotment account year to share capital to security premium. The amount is 30,000 multiplied by 40 is equal to 12 lakh. Here is 12 lakh. Amount is 12 lakh. And security premium out of 40, 30 rupees capital and 10 rupees premium, and multiple by 30,000 received application shares 9 lakh and 3 lakh. 9 lakh and 3 lakh out of 12. 9 lakh is capital and 3 lakh is a security premium, and total 12 lakh received by the company. And after allotment, company make the entry first call account year to share capital to security premium. Share first call amount is 30,000 multiplied by 70 rupees is equal to 21 lakh. 21 lakh amount called up by the company to the shareholders, and how many amount of capital and security premium. So we multiply 30,000 rupees 60 and rupees 10, 18 lakh of capital and 3 lakh of security premium, 18 lakh and 3 lakh. No call in advance in this condition, so we cannot make call in advance account debit, and the entry will be passed bank account year to share first and final call, and total amount received by the company is a 21 lakh. Here is completed the topic. The topic is completed. Understand and carefully listen again and again. Thanks.